welcome to my vlog, and we're here again for another staycation.
Wow,
No,
yaman.
charot. Here at Manzil, downtown. So guys, come and join with us. So guys, this is our room. Ta-da!
Hi guys, welcome to our next staycation here at Manzil Hotel at downtown Dubai near Burj Khalifa. So now we're going to have a quick room tour. So here's my friend Joanna. Hi, say hello.
Hi, guys.
And here's the owner of this vlog,
Hi guys!
the beautiful Katrina.
Char.
Yeah, the freshness. So now let's continue our room tour. So here we have our twin bed. Twin bed pa lang kinuha. Twin bed, so yun, twin. There you go, guys. And then we have flat screen TV. LG, wow, social, malaki siya. And then let's go inside
Welcome!
the bathroom. Wow, we have this lavatory with the lots of tissue with glass, and then there's some magnifying mirror. So yeah, makikita niyo yung mga pores niyo pag see my pores. I can see my pores. Nice. And there's a bathtub also. And we have a wardrobe, complimentary wardrobe. Of course. And this is the shower with the shower enclosure. No, sorry, it's not the shower. There's the toilet. Yeah, the standard toilet. So, and here's the shower with enclosure. And then there's a rain shower. Where's the niche with all the lotion and shampoo that we needed while taking a bath. And then guys, we're going to a mini pantry. Yeah, we have here the counter. So we have telephone. We have a mini office right here. And then what else? Oh, we have the coffee maker. Light please. So pwede ka ditong gumawa ng espresso, your own espresso. And then complimentary water from Manzil. Thank you, Manzil.
May kain ka na kayo.
Ay!
Ay, ganun.
Final touch, final highlights of this room tour, right guys? So the view from this hotel, which is yun nga pinagmamalaki ng taga-hotel kung bakit ito ay medyo expensive yung room dito. Guys, here it is! Come on over, let's check it out! See the Burj Khalifa! Hey!
Okay.
See the Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the world.
It is
See,
currently...
it's very, it's really magnificent. See? Hi guys, wow!
Uy, may show!
Mahal. Mahal po. Baka 5,000 mo siguro.
Hi guys! And... oh, natatawa na sila guys. So guys, it's already 3 a.m. in the morning. So we're still awake. We're still awake. And
Watching your vlog.
we're watching our vlog!
Hello,
Yay!
Vlogger Dads.
Yeah. Nanonood po kami ng mga vlogs namin at hindi po kami makapaniwala na
Hello,
na
May.
nandiyan na kami sa TV. Charot. Shout out pala sa aming isang kaibigan na si Maymay na hindi sumipot. And guys,
So cold here.
ano na, ready na kaming mag-sleep and see you tomorrow for our hotel review. Charot. And let's see guys kung ano ang mga facilities and amenities ng hotel bukas. Bye guys, see ya. Good night.